Well, this is a nice spot. Really nice spot. This ride is turning out to be awesome. Other than my crappy foot pegs that are really making me uncomfortable, so next purchase for this bike will be some proper off-road foot pegs. I keep saying that every year, but yeah, it needs to be done. Oh, awesome. It looks like I should be able to get my without having to take the skid plate off. I need to wash this thing so bad. But when I wash it, well, I gotta wash it before I do the work to it to change the doohickey, which I'd like to give a shout out to Full Throttle Junkie for purchasing that for me. He went above and beyond. If you haven't checked him out, he's a good guy. Got all sorts of things going on in his channel, from horseback riding to motorbikes to just taking you to cool places. Anyway, let's get going again. Thump, 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 thump. I had one vehicle come by while I was out here, so I still gotta watch these roads and stuff. I don't need no surprises. Bridge. And a camp spot there. Oh, wrong line. There we go. I'll have to come out here again and fly the drone there. Kind of got to head back towards the house now. Now that I know where I am, it'll take me a bit to get back to the main road, but you know what? Let's go up this way for a second and I'll take you to the cabin. Low tree. Oh yeah, forgot about this. Hey dear. Beautiful. Yeah, so out here, this is all crown land and multi-use camping, hunting, and trapping. And this looks like total little crud. Yeah, so we used to ride out to that cabin over there, and my memory card so kindly cut out on me. And we used to come down that way. And there's a nice little creek here. Wow, the bank is washing out a bit. There's a crossing over there where these guys were gonna head to. It's deep here, so. And yeah, if I go back this way, it'll take me to another camp area, but I am not gonna do any river crossings on the KLR, not by myself. Even though I probably could. No. No. Look how deep it is there. I don't think the KLR can swim that good. Hello, Clover. Yeah, so that's... They're crossing over there. They're camping. Awesome. Anyway, now I'm gonna head back. Get detoured. I've always wanted to get to this spot on the KLR, but I know that way is really kind of crappy. But all the stuff is the roads aren't too bad, but there's some spots where you can't access it anymore because they've dug it out. So it's a cross between trails and everything else. Let's go. Huge ash, raw, washed out ruts here, man. Definitely wouldn't want to fall into one of those by accident. Or that one. Or this one. Yeah, I'm having memory card errors. And it's intermittent though. I can start the camera right back up and it'll keep recording. Just it's like it has dead spots on the memory card or something stupid. Whee! And I didn't even put my feet down. Woohoo! Maybe another day, not today. Drag my foot a bit to clean my bottom of my boot off. I know I didn't hurt myself, it just kind of kicked up funny. And my foot, what the hell? Foot peg was pointing up. Oh, what a beautiful day. Starting to cloud up though. It's supposed to be sunny all day. Oh well. I'm not going to complain because it's, you know, in the 20s right now, Celsius. So, and actually the sun's kind of gone away behind some clouds, and it's actually feeling really nice and cool right now because I got a fairly heavy jacket on. And if you want, I'll do a review of this jacket. This will be my third riding season with this jacket. And yeah, I bought it because it was the only one that I could find at the time that would fit me. But I've gotten a little bit smaller over the last couple of years, and I should be looking into getting some kind of meth. I should be trying to get into some meth so I can lose more weight really quickly. I should be looking into getting a mesh jacket so I can come out on really hot days and not sweat my bag off. But money tends to be tight lately, so one day I'm gonna make a list of stuff for next income tax season, and maybe I can get some new gear and pick up some other stuff. But I am kind of interested in looking into a cruiser for next year. Oh. Am I even in first? No, I wasn't. I'm taking this route and stalling the bike. I know I really need to get my KZ out this year too, because it's a fun bike to ride for short trips. I'm just gonna follow the rut because that's where it's all pushed out. And they don't seem to be quite as slimy. Now, if anybody knows what the best way to do a rut like that is, or rutted mud, or anything like that, you know, leave a comment down below. And am I doing it wrong? Or is there any specific way to do it? Or just wing it? Because that's all I do, is just wing it. Oh, this one's going to be deep. Nope. Okay, good. See all sorts of trails everywhere out here. Oh. Hey, birdies! Another thing I want to do is upgrade from the factory wind guards, put some bark busters on it. But these ones are doing good for now. Oh, whoa! Yes, this road is a long way back to the main trunk road. I guess it'd be Coal Camp Road. But hey, that's the whole point of coming out and doing this kind of stuff. Just get out and explore. Have a good time. See, I can putt along by myself, and if something looks a little technical or scary, I can just putt over it and make a fool of myself all by myself. I have no pressure, no nothing. Well, I don't remember this. It's been a while since I came out this way in a 4x4, so, which way do I want to go? I don't know. I'd stand up, but I got another slippery, yeah, that's going to be my, definitely after I do my doohickey, which I have all the parts and tools to do it. I'm just, on my weekends, if it's nice, I'm just going to go for a ride instead, so. Yeah, look at that. 50 kilometers over, 7,000 kilometers. I really don't get out to ride that much. I wish I did, but it is what it is. I'm out on the highway a lot, so. Oh, I'm glad I found that loop. Love it, love it, love it. And all in there will be muskeg, and this bike saw muskeg last year for a short period of time, and it's not gonna see it this year. Sorry guys. I'm pretty much this type of road, this dry, because you can see how rutted it is. You can see how rutted it is just from people coming in here to go camping when it has been raining. So like, it gets pretty slimy. If I wanted to do trails, I'd fix my side-by-side, which I'm going to do. And I keep saying it all the time every year. Definitely gotta pull the engine out this fall and just take my time over the winter and get it fixed. Let's go. Here we go. Guess there's always this factor. They can lock the gate. Say, nope, we don't want nobody in here. No more. No more. But I'm going to take that as I'm getting close to the main road. It's one nice thing about a motorcycle that you can't do with a 4x4 or side-by-side. Pick really good lines. That being said, I've picked some really cruddy lines in the past too, so I'm getting better at it. Oh, this looks really cruddy up here. Anybody want to do some mud bogging? People out for the day. They all got ramps on them, so they're all out having some fun in the bush. And look at that. Back to Coal Camp Road. And by the looks of it, I am right where it goes to pavement. Awesome. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you stuck around for this long, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Anyway, have a great one, and I'll catch you on the next ride. I think everybody's coming out to go camping. Moo cows. Are you camping? I should be camping.